In order to achieve an effective planning and implementation of its socio-economic and cultural programs, the Central Tibetan Administration conducted its first periodic demographic survey of Tibetans in exile in the year 1998. Based on the past experiences, views of the general populace, and actual needs of the community, it is now felt important to conduct a demographic survey of Tibetans in exile, and the provisions are made to collect only the necessary information in the survey form. Primary objectives of the forthcoming demographic survey are to ensure effective planning and implementation of the Central Tibetan Administration's political, administration, cultural, educational, and welfare schemes. Since the Tibetan diaspora community is dispersed across the globe, the Central Tibetan Administration's functioning will be slowly moved towards e-governance, for which a standard population data is an absolute necessity. As the Central Tibetan Administration plans socio-economic and educational schemes for Tibetans and diaspora communities based on the population data, Tibetans eligible to access these schemes must be included in the demographic survey. Taking part in demographic survey and giving a clear and detailed information in the forms will help make future programs of Tibetans in exile, such as demographic election, in line with the trending information technology. Together, let's undertake the demographic survey of 2022. Step 1. Fill in your Green Book number. Step 2. Write your name in Tibetan. Step 3. Write your name in English. For example, first name Tenzin, middle name Tsering. If you have a last or a family name, type that in. Step 4. Then type your date, month, and the year of birth. Step 5. Type in your father's name and tick the appropriate option. Step 6. Fill in your father's name the same way you typed in your name in Step 3. Step 7. Provide your father's Green Book number. This step is optional. If your father is a non-Tibetan or do not possess a Green Book, tick either of the options: Green Book not available or non-Tibetan. Step 8. Similarly, fill the name of your mother first in Tibetan, then in English. Step 9. Provide your mother's Green Book number. Again, this step is optional. If your mother is a non-Tibetan or do not possess a Green Book, tick either of the options. Step 10. Tick your gender identity: male, female, or others. Step 11. If you are a monk or a nun, mark accordingly. Step 12. If you are a tantric, tick accordingly. Step 13. Provide your qualification details. For example, if you hold a bachelor's degree, write your major, such as BA English Literature. Step 14. Tick your occupation category. Are you in the field of religion? Are you a student, a farmer, or are you into businesses? If your occupation does not fall under the above categories, please specify. If you are into business, provide the type of business you are in and your business location. Step 15. Tick the traditional province you belong to. Step 16. Type in your religion. Step 17. Type the religious tradition you belong to. Step 18. Tick the correct option on how happy are you with your income. Very happy, happy, not happy. Step 19. Type in your contact email address and your phone number. Step 20. Enter your present address and your permanent address. If your permanent address is same as your present address, tick the box that says same as present address. Congratulations, you have completed the Central Tibetan Administration's Demographic Survey 2022. Our survey officers will verify your details. Except for your name and your parents' name that should be written in Tibetan, all other details can be written or typed either in English or in Tibetan. Before filling up the form, do not forget to read the 5-point guidelines for filling the demographic survey form that is attached at the back of the survey form.